creating a basic prompt generation script. In this presentation, we will explore the process of creating a basic prompt generation script. Prompt generation is a crucial aspect of natural language processing, as it allows us to create prompts that can be used to guide language models in generating relevant and coherent text. Whether you're working on chatbots, content creation, or any other language-based application, understanding prompt generation can be a valuable skill. The first step in creating a prompt generation script is to understand the structure and components of a prompt. A prompt typically consists of a few key elements. 1. The task or objective. This specifies what the language model should generate, such as a story, a product description, or a response to a question. 2. The context. This provides additional information or background that can help the language model generate more relevant and coherent text. 3. The tone or style. This sets the desired tone, such as formal, casual, or persuasive, which can influence the language model's output. By carefully crafting these elements, you can create prompts that elicit the desired response from the language model. Next, let's explore the process of actually writing a prompt generation script. One common approach is to use a programming language like Python, which provides a wide range of libraries and tools for natural language processing. Here's a simple example of a prompt generation script in Python. Python def generate prompt task context tone. Prompt equals F. Your task is to task context. Please write in a tone. Return prompt example usage task equals write a product description for a new smartphone. Context equals the smartphone has a 6.5-inch display, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery. Tone equals persuasive. Prompt equals generate prompt, task, context, tone, print prompt. In this example, the generate prompt function takes 3 parameters, the task, context, and tone, and combines them into a single prompt string. You can then use this prompt to generate text using a language model. Of course, creating effective prompts goes beyond just combining these elements. It's important to consider the specific requirements of your language model and the desired output. For example, you may need to experiment with different prompt structures, adjust the level of detail, or provide specific instructions to the language model. Additionally, you may want to incorporate techniques like prompt engineering, which involves iteratively refining and optimizing prompts to improve the quality and relevance of the generated text. Another important aspect of prompt generation is the ability to handle different types of tasks and outputs. For instance, you may need to generate prompts for tasks such as summarization, translation, or question answering, each of which may require a different approach. To address this, you can create a library of reusable prompt templates that can be customized for different use cases. This can help streamline the prompt generation process and ensure consistency across your applications. Finally, it's important to continuously evaluate and refine your prompt generation script. Monitor the quality and relevance of the generated text and make adjustments to your prompts as needed. This may involve gathering feedback from users, analyzing the performance of your language model, and iterating on your prompt design. By continuously improving your prompt generation script, you can ensure that your language-based applications are delivering high-quality, relevant, and engaging content to your users. In summary, creating a basic prompt generation script involves understanding the key components of a prompt, writing code to generate prompts, and continuously refining and optimizing your prompts to meet the specific needs of your language-based applications. By mastering this skill, you can unlock the full potential of language models and create engaging, relevant, and effective content for your users. To recap the key points covered in this presentation: 1. Prompts are the foundation for guiding language models in generating relevant and coherent text. 2. Prompts consist of 3 main elements: the task, the context, and the tone or style. 3. You can create a prompt generation script using a programming language like Python to combine these elements into a single prompt. 4. Effective prompt generation involves considering the specific requirements of your language model experimenting with different prompt structures, and continuously refining and optimizing your prompts. 5. Maintaining a library of reusable prompt templates can help streamline the prompt generation process and ensure consistency across your applications. By applying these principles, you can create a powerful prompt generation script that will help you unlock the full potential of language models and deliver high quality, engaging content to your users.